Happy with the placement right there. We were fascinated with the eye. It has a moving eye that senses the air, and if you don't want that to move and you want to sit in front of it, you can make the eye stay stationary. Isn't that cool?
That is neat.
So, yeah, just get a shot of the lake. Everybody wants this room because of the view. And there's no heat in this room. But when you turn on the air conditioning, oh my gosh, in here it's cool. And what they're hoping is that it will go all the way back to the back. And he just showed us, if you just want the fan on, you can have the fan. If you still want the ambience of your propane stove, you can have that. You can have that and then use it in conjunction with your heat pump. And things we never knew were possible.